Okay, this is what we do. I get trusty broom, and I put the camcorder, someplace around here. Maybe I'll put it over here. I'll actually put it right here. And I'm going to show you what I do. Oh man, what a mess. What a disaster. Oh well. Just try not to put it right here and keep it out of the way. And this is what I gotta do, I just knock it down. Oops. Be careful with the broom. Doing that, I bet you. Okay, let's see. You just gotta keep brushing off until I get most of it. That way I can see out the window. Maybe. Get this knocked down here. That's a lot better. Of course, some of the snow has to, accumulate on the broom, so I end up getting a little wet. And after I get that done, I put the old screen back in. Oh, baby, here we go. Last time I had to do something like this was 2006 when we had a 30-inch snowfall here in this area. Roads were clogged, impassable for at least a week. I never even went to work for an entire week. And of course, Christmas fell right around that time, so sure enough, I had time off and I used it. The screen back in place so I can shut the window. It's the best I can get. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's not quite 7 o'clock in the evening here in Denver. And there's a lot of snow, and it's still snowing and it's still blowing. Even though they canceled the blizzard. The actual blizzard warning, but even at that, what a mess. I hate when we get that much snow. I really do. It's hard on everybody, especially in my profession, professional bus driver. Yeah, we were running today, but it was very slow and a lot of slow-moving traffic. Took average 2.5 hours to get across town because of traffic tie-ups and ice on the roads. But anyway, that's a quick peek of what it looks like out here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. And until next time.